All right, back at it. Took a couple days off. Sick. Get sick, you don't feel like trading. Don't feel like trading. So Friday. Oh, here's what happened last couple days, right? Price comes down, makes a big bull. And I drew up this zone here. That'll come into play later. But on Friday, what happened on Friday? Man, I can't even remember what happened on Friday. So price came through here. Here we are. I know I made a trade. I don't want to talk about it. So here we are. Okay, now I'm all set. Now I'm squared away. Yeah, I think you'd have this figured out beforehand, but you know what? This is on the fly. And as traders, we got to be willing to ebb and flow with the market. My days run together. So the market opens right here. And goes to somewhere in here. And this, if you're not frustrated trading, you're not doing it right. So I was frustrated on Friday. So as price had come over through here, right, it's coming down, bouncing up, took out this guy here. So now I'm thinking that price is flipped, and obviously it did. But I started drawing up my channels. And when you start drawing up your channels, you start to get an idea of what, sometimes I do it like that. And the first time I draw it, it's usually like that, right? Because that's your first channel. And you see that price starts pushing that way. So we're looking for price to change behavior. And then, catch that elbow here where we can see an entry after the bend, right? This one's ugly, but it's not open yet. So we're just kind of like, we're not trading here. So all this stuff here, and you want to go there. All this stuff here we can draw out beforehand. So I know that price is starting to move. And I'm watching, price is going up, pulling back. Price is going up, pulling back. That would have been a nice one. That would have been a really nice one. Now here's where I made my trade. I did the same thing I just did here. Boop, boop. And I did this. I drew this line down here, and I took this trade right here. And it took off. And I had the thing that was nervous about it is I upped my size. I was like, I'm going to up my size and make a little more dough today. So I was a little bit nervous. Actually, I was a lot nervous. Because I was like, oh man, I don't want to lose money. And as price started to take off, I initially had my stop down here. And as price started to take off, it pulled back and I moved to break even and it snapped me out. And all I was looking to do was to capture the net swing up, somewhere into here. And I blew it. And then there was nothing else for the day for me to get in on. I couldn't. This was crap. I couldn't do this. I drew that up and I was like, okay, maybe this might be my play. But it was after 10 o'clock. I don't know if I was paying attention to this. I'm not sure what I was thinking here, but I didn't take that. I'm glad I didn't, because it didn't give us much. It would have wiped me out. And then the other one that I was thinking about, and then I pulled my order, was this one, because I pulled it because it was 12.50, and I didn't want to get wiped out on the end of the day, and honestly, on this one here, I was up a I mean, I think I made a few bucks, because it came down and then it started going up again, and then I just freaked out. So that's why we practice. You want to practice holding that that position so you don't freak out. So that brings us to today, or yesterday. And yesterday I just taking the weekend off, having a nice break. It's really nice. See, I'm just drawing my lines out, trying to find that path of price, and just using my tools to help me see where price is going. And the thing is, I'm pretty sure this thing's, and I hate to look left, because I do look left. I'm aware of it. Sometimes I draw this zone up here. I know price is going to at least land in there somewhere, right? And maybe continue or reverse. But this is my trade right here. This was it. Simple stuff. I got in on that bar there. What triggered me in is that this took out the high, right? So I know this is, and this one down here I missed. That would have been a nice one too. Maybe like right under there, sitting under there somewhere. And the trigger would have been here, that one there, and then just buy on the line. You had a couple shots to buy on that line. That was it, And I did use a little bit more size than I did, not as much as I did the other day on Friday when I was nervous. But yeah, I was hoping that thing would pull right back into me. But you see this hard up. Price likes to come down and kind of fill that gap. That's all gap. And then I got out and I closed up shop and went and did some other stuff. I didn't have to work for the rest of the day. So, and I don't see anything else out here. You see this piece right here. That's just gap. That's buyers just buying it up really hard, and it's probably coming through somewhere in here. And I'm kind of at a point where I'm just taking money as I make it. I'm not letting my runners my winners run right now, because I'm trying to build up my account some more, and then that way, I get a nice solid base, and then I can play a little bit more. And then nothing happened there after that. So then today, what are we gonna do here? And this price is coming down here, right? So we draw our channel, right? And you can come right across there. And there's a nice trade this morning. I was asleep. Do it again here. Right? There's another trade right here. Oh wow, this is actually yesterday. This is today. Get my days mixed up. I've been sick, man. It throws you off. And then that thing bounced down. Boom, 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 boom. So we're just kind of waiting to see. It took out the low. right? So now we're on low watch. Price gonna come back up into the kill zone or the pressure cooker zone, or it's gonna just sit in the kill zone there. Come back and do that, and come down some more. I know the overall flow is down. What is the daily looking like? See here, boom, 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 boom. Sorry, I'm putting everybody through all this nonsense. I just like to have a bar chart. It's giving me a hard time. There we go. No, that's not it. Perfect. There we go. Oh, sorry about that. All right, so here we are. And it looks like price is still stepping down. I'm taking out the low. This is our potential high. Probably could take that out. That was that one piece right there. Could play up into here. I don't know. That could be a really good sell. Pulls up, drops down, starts coming off. I don't know. We'll have to see. Wait and see. So get out there and make some money. Use those channel lines. Use those breaks to find those pullbacks off the zoom bar. And there we go. Oh jeez. And we'll go from there. All right. Have a good one.